A major security alert unfolded at Nagpur Airport on July 17, 2025, when an Indigo Airlines flight, Flight 6E2706, made an emergency landing following a bomb threat. The flight was on its scheduled route from Muscat to Kochi to Delhi when the threat was reported mid-air, prompting authorities to immediately divert the aircraft to Nagpur as a precautionary measure. The Indigo Airbus A320 aircraft landed safely at Nagpur Airport under high security. The airport authorities, CISF, bomb disposal squads, and local police were immediately deployed at the site. The aircraft was moved to an isolated bay upon landing, and a full emergency protocol was activated. All 175 passengers and crew members on board were evacuated safely without incident. According to officials, the threat was received via an anonymous message, which triggered the standard operating procedure for bomb threats in Indian airspace. Passengers were deboarded and moved to a secure holding area, while the aircraft was thoroughly searched by bomb squads and sniffer dogs. Visuals from outside the airport showed a significant police presence, multiple fire tenders, ambulances, and bomb squad vehicles surrounding the aircraft. The outer perimeter of the airport was also sealed off as part of the precautionary lockdown. Speaking to the media, airport authorities confirmed that all passengers were safe and cooperative during the evacuation. They praised the cabin crew for maintaining calm and ensuring passenger safety throughout the incident. No explosive material was found on board after an extensive check, and the threat was later deemed non-specific but serious enough to warrant the emergency diversion. Security agencies are now tracing the source of the threat, including the origin of the message and the identity of the person behind it. The investigation is being jointly handled by the CISF, local police, and central intelligence agencies. Meanwhile, passengers praised the quick response of the flight crew and the professionalism of the security forces. Many said they were initially anxious, but the calm and clear instructions from the crew helped avoid panic. Indigo Airlines issued a statement confirming that Flight 6E2706 was diverted to Nagpur due to a security concern and that passenger safety remains the airline's top priority. The airline is cooperating fully with the investigating agencies. This incident once again highlights the importance of swift response mechanisms and coordination between aviation authorities and security agencies in dealing with such threats. While no harm was done, the situation serves as a stark reminder of the vulnerabilities that exist in civil aviation and the need for constant vigilance. Operations at Nagpur Airport have now returned to normal, though enhanced security protocols remain in place. Stay with us for continuous updates on this developing story, including official statements, passenger reactions, and insights from aviation security.